जानवरों की चर्बी पर बवाल, कार्रवाई पर सवाल। भड़क उठे आनंद रंगनाथन और विष्णु शंकर जैन। प्रसिद्ध मंदिर के प्रसाद के साथ खिलवाड़ के कितने गुनाहगार। तिरुपति बालाजी मंदिर के प्रसाद में जानवरों की चर्बी मिलाए जाने के खुलासे के बाद देश भर का हिंदू समाज भड़क उठा है, क्योंकि प्रसाद की जो रिपोर्ट सामने आई है उसमें साफ साफ खुलासा हो रहा है कि प्रसाद में बीफ, जानवरों की चर्बी मिलाई जाती थी और ये घिनौना काम हुआ जगन मोहन रेड्डी की सरकार में। खैर, अब मामला दिल्ली तक पहुंच गया है। बीजेपी अध्यक्ष जेपी नड्डा इस मामले पर एक्शन ले रहे हैं, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ इस मामले पर लेखक आनंद रंगनाथन और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सीनियर वकील विष्णु शंकर जैन भड़क उठे। आनंद रंगनाथन ने कहा कि देश के सबसे पवित्र हिंदू मंदिरों में से एक तिरुपति मंदिर में गौमांस की चर्बी से बने लड्डू खिलाकर लाखों हिंदू भक्तों को धोखा दिया गया, बावजूद उसके अब तक कोई गिरफ्तारी नहीं हुई है। इसी के साथ विष्णु शंकर जैन ने भी कहा कि तिरुपति मंदिर के प्रसाद में जानवरों की चर्बी मिलाकर हिंदुओं के साथ बड़ा धोखा किया गया है। इस वारदात से मेरे परिवार के साथ साथ पूरे हिंदू समाज को दर्द है। हैरानी तो इस बात की है कि तिरुपति मंदिर से आए लड्डुओं को राम मंदिर के उद्घाटन के वक्त भी मंगवाया गया था। तिरुपति मंदिर के प्रसाद पर छिड़े विवाद पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट के वकील विष्णु शंकर जैन और आनंद रंगनाथन के बीच क्या कुछ बातचीत हुई, आपको सुनवाते हैं।
About this whole Tirupati controversy, this seems not just, I hate to use the word blasphemy because that word is obviously loaded, but this is sacrilege. And who knows, millions of Hindus, their faith of the Lord has been desecrated. क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
As a worshipper, I feel cheated, and me and my entire family and the entire Hindu community is so pained by this incident. Can you imagine these very laddus had traveled to Ram Mandir, and now we are finding that in these laddus there was beef and fish oil. Being a devotee, I feel cheated. And apart from this, I want to highlight today a very important issue, that this is a classic example when temples are being taken over, these kind of situations will arise. We were continuously raising this issue that in Tirumala, Tirupati Devasthanam, people of other faiths are getting a party and getting into the board on the board. And apart from that, today we are seeing that these powers have been misused. Let me cite you one very classic law, and the law is of Dargah Khwaja Sahib Act of 1955, and the bylaws was brought in 1958. In that bylaws of Rule 18 says that a donor of Dargah Khwaja Sahib will have the right to decide as to what has to be done with its donation. No such right is there for any other member or any other devotee so far as Hindu civilization is concerned. So this is the dichotomy in our legal system, and I personally believe that a strong SIT must be constituted by the state government or the central government. This must be inquired, and in future there should be no food adulteration. Strong actions must be taken. And apart from that, I also want to say that the institutions like the Supreme Court, it's a classic example when we are arguing before the Supreme Court on the issue of Kawad Yatra,
Yes.
when these orders of the Uttar Pradesh government were stayed by the Supreme Court, and when we were arguing this point, that kindly see that our food, our beliefs are being adulterated and being violated, then those issues were not heard. But I believe in future, this stay order of the Supreme Court on Kawad Yatra displaying names, that order is vacated, and our issues that there should be purity in our shrines must be upheld.
So 2 points here. You want the Supreme Court to either take a suo moto cognizance of this? Would you want
Definitely. When the Supreme Court is taking a suo moto cognizance on a judge of a Karnataka High Court,
Yes.
who has used certain issues, who has highlighted certain issues, I'm not going into the merit of those issues. That's a separate debate altogether. But if Supreme Court is taking suo moto action, 5 judges of the Supreme Court are taking suo moto cognizance of a comment of a Karnataka High Court judge. This is more egregious than that. And the entire majority community's beliefs have been trodden upon.
But आप इसमें you're not going to stay quiet. अगर कुछ
Not
नहीं
at
होता,
all.
you are going to act.
No,
also?
I am.
Are you going to file a case?
I will file a case. I will come on the streets. I will ask people to protest about this issue,
Yes.
because this is our core religious belief. Tirumala, Tirupati, Balaji, Devasthanam is the topmost temple we have in this country. And if that has been violated, that shrine's authenticity, purity has been violated, what more do you need?
Great.
आनंद रंगनाथन और विष्णु शंकर जैन ने इस मामले पर सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई की मांग की है। इसके साथ ही अगर सरकार इस मामले पर एक्शन नहीं लेती है तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के वकील विष्णु शंकर जैन ने कहा है कि वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में केस फाइल करेंगे और जरूरत पड़ने पर इस मामले के खिलाफ सड़कों पर उतरेंगे, प्रदर्शन करेंगे। फिलहाल इस खबर पर आपकी राय क्या है, हमें कमेंट कर जरूर बताएं।